Hello everyone. Today in this video I'm going to share with you that how you can refill your HP cartridges. The process is similar for all the HP cartridge, but for today's video I'm using HP21 and HP22 cartridge. HP21 is your black ink cartridge and HP22 is the colored one. By refilling your ink cartridge, you can save your money because from one bottle of 100 ml ink, you can refill your cartridge at least 3 to 4 times. So let's begin with the process. I have bought the refill kit, which consists of 3 colored ink bottles for HP22. That is magenta, cyan, this one, yellow, and the black ink for HP21. In this kit I have received 4 syringes and 4 needles. This is my HP printer. So you can see the red light which is blinking over it, which shows that the ink levels in the printer are very low for printing purposes. So let's take out the cartridges first. This red light. To get the cartridges, you just need to open the flap and you'll see that the cartridges will move to the front, from where you can remove them by just simply pushing it. See how the cartridges are coming to front. See again how I've opened it. Just open the flap and the cartridges move to the front. Now I'm removing the cartridges. See, just give a push downward and pull it out. It's very easy to remove the cartridges. So now we have the cartridges with us. Let's begin with it. I hope you can see the numbers written over the cartridges, that is 21 and 22. 21 is the black and 22 is the colored one. When you see at the bottom of the cartridge, you will see the print head, which is quite dirty. So first we need to clean it with a soft cloth, or you can have a cotton ball. We need to clean both the print heads. From here the ink comes out when the cartridge is adjusted into the printer. So it's a nice practice if you clean it. See how dirty it is. So it should be cleaned first before refilling. Now you can see the print heads are clear. I'll be using 4 syringes and 4 needles here because I have 4 different colors. So 1 syringe and 1 needle pair for 1 color. You can even use the same syringe and needle pair for the colors, but it's not recommended because you have to clear it first. So now we are ready to refill our cartridges. First I'm going to refill HP21 cartridge with black ink. For this, you need to pick up your cartridge and find out a sticker over it. Here we go. We have a sticker over it. We need to remove it and keep it at a safer location because we have to reuse it. You can see that I have removed the sticker and placed it at the back, and you can see a hole over it. This is a syringe which I am going to fill up to 4 to 5 ml with black ink. Yes, my black ink. This is how you can fill the syringe. Just put it and pull from the back. Now you can see the syringe is filled with up to 5 ml with black ink. I will release the black ink in the cartridge hole very gently. Now I am filling the ink in the cartridge. Be gentle while doing it because there is an ink sponge inside the cartridge. I have refilled the syringe and I'll be repeating the process till I can see the black ink is coming out of the hole. Now before keeping this new syringe on the side, you should clean it with water and cotton ball so you can reuse it later on. Now our HP21 cartridge is filled and we will place the sticker back on its position because the sticker helps in preventing the air to go inside the cartridge. So it's must, in case the sticker has lost its glue, you can use any other sticker to prevent the air, to protect the hole. Now we are finished with HP21 refilling of the HP21 cartridge. Now place the syringe at. Now our HP21 has been filled, so let's begin the process with HP22. In this we are going to use the 3 colors and remove the sticker first before using the colors. As you can see that I have placed the bottles near the holes in which they will be used. In the upper hole I will fill with magenta, on the left I will fill with yellow and right with the cyan. You have to fill each syringe with 5 ml of the ink and you need to put that syringe in a specific hole. You have to repeat the same process as you did in HP21. So be careful. So guys, our cartridges are ready to use and let's put it back into the printer. Open the printer flap and put the cartridge in the respective location. Just place the cartridge over its respective location and push it upwards to lock it. Is a little harder. So now we are ready to use our cartridges. Close the flap of the printer and you need to restart your printer. See, you can still find out the red light which is blinking over it. It will not go away until you restart your printer. So we are going to restart our printer. The red light will only then be gone. Power on your printer and there you go, you can see the red light has stopped blinking. I hope the video has resolved your problem. If you like the video, please share it with your friends, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.